So let's talk osso buco. Firstly, osso buco, literally in Italian, means round bone. They're referring to the cut. It's a shank. So as we can see here, we have a round bone shank. This has been cooked low and slow for about 2.5 hours. Then it rests for another half hour. So it's really nice and tender. It's going to be your job to warm this up. While you've been eating your appetizer, this guy's in the oven, nice and happy, low and slow, for another 25 minutes or so to warm up. Now, every stove is different, so just peek on it every once in a while. What you're really looking for is that it came up to temperature. It's already cooked, you just want it hot. So, the accompaniments to that, we have a horseradish mashed potato that we've created here, and what we want to do with that is use the horseradish to kind of cut through the richness of this shank. It's very important that we look for balance in food. So that's how we achieve things. We use acid or we use herbs, and in this case we've used both of those. So we're going to get the potato, which is now hot, onto your plate. You're going to use this kind of as a base to your osso buco. Next, we take that shank, nice and tender. We're going to place that right atop. So they're going to see a nice rich brown sauce. So this is really comforting food, perfect for the cold weather of February. To brighten this up, we're putting in a glazed carrot. You can see that color popping because we want, those other ones have been almost disintegrated and molten and broken down with that shank. So now, to cut through that richness further, we have a gremolata. And this is just equal parts of Italian parsley, lemon zest, Maldon salt. We've added a touch of garlic and olive oil. And now this is just a fun extra garnish that we're doing here. You don't have to do this at home, but you can. This is something that'll kind of plays on the senses. So we're doing our smoking rosemary. So this adds a little panache, a little showtime to your guests. Maybe pretend that you know what you're doing. And this actually does aromatize the house and create a little bit of warmth as well. Bon appetit. Thank you for supporting this great cause.